Hi, good evening all. Today I am going to discuss about Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things Assignment 11. This is Dr. Thulasi working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vignan Srila Institute of Technology and Sciences, Women. So today I am going to discuss about Assignment 11. And we are having only one assignment, that is Assignment 12. After that we will be having exam. So don't miss Assignment 12. So coming to assignment 11, first question. Which of the following health parameters are monitored by IoT based contact lenses? Options: A. Hemoglobin level, B. Sugar level, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. So the right answer is sugar level. The benefits of IoT enabled healthcare includes A. Monitoring patients remotely, B. Quality medical service with big budget, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. So the right answer is monitoring patients remotely. Coming to the third question, which of the following denotes a function of a secured web gateway? And the options are identification and prevention of an attack, B. Encrypting the connection between a mobile device and a network, C. Monitoring of mobile devices that access a network, D. None of the above. So coming to the right answer is A. Identification and prevention of an attack. Coming to the fourth question, the challenges of IoT and power plant involve A. Chances of denial of service attack, B. Resource constrained nature of IoT devices, C. Increasing data bandwidth and number of devices, D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. Coming to the fifth question, which of the following example represents a home area network? A. Wireless network with the WiMAX 3G or 4G, B. Wireless network with Zigbee or 6LoWPAN, C. Wired network with Ethernet, D. None of the above. So the right answer is wireless network with a Zigbee or a 6LoWPAN. SCADA stands for, it's not SCADA, it's in the material it is given as SCDA. So stands for, options are sensor control and data acquisition, supervisory control and data acquisition, C. Software control and data acquisition, D. None of the above. Coming to the right answer, that is supervisory control and data acquisition. Seventh question. The RFID tagging system consists of A. RFID tags, read-write device, C. Host system, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Coming to the eighth question. System of routine technical activities to dash the quality of the inventory as it is being developed. Coming to the options, A. Measure and control, B. Management and control, C. Maintain and control, D. None of the above. So measure and control is the right answer. Coming to the ninth question. The functions of inventory management involve the decoupling of the dash systems component. A. Purchasing, B. Retail, C. Production distribution, D. None of the above. C. Production distribution. 10th question. Which of the following does not belong to the software security? A. Integrity, B. Authentication, C. Consistency, D. Availability. So the right answer is C. Consistency, because it is not belonging to the software security. Okay. Coming to the 11th question. The integrity characteristics of plant security and safety involves A. Assurance of uncorrupted data, B. Correct functioning under malicious attack, C. Maintain consistency, accuracy and trustworthiness of data over its entire life cycle, all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above. Coming to the 12th question. Types of network security includes A. Access control, B. Antivirus and anti-malware software, C. Data loss prevention, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 13th question. Facility management integrates options: people, place and process, B. People, privacy and process, C. People, service and process, D. None of the above. A. People, place and process. 14th question. Which one of the following belonging to the analytics in facility management? A. Data-driven decision making, B. Operational cost optimization, C. Remote monitoring of facilities, D. All of the above. Coming to the right answer, that is D. All of the above. Coming to the 15th question. Facility management needs dash to analyze and predict events and prevent predicted hazards. And the options are A. Big data, B. Advanced analytics, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the right answer is both A and B. Now you can submit your answers. So we are having only one assignment more. So if you like my videos, subscribe my channel. All the best for your exams also. Prepare well. Thank you.